I reckon if we beat a category with a stick for a few hours...
There were a dozen more of us and we fled the camp. Please, can you go back and save the others?
Thanks a plenty, stranger.
Shouldn't see me. Shouldn't hear me. It's a clean kill. None of it is going to go to waste. What's your name, Ranger?
Italian.
What warrior? A lieutenant?
Oh, actually, it was a captain.
Oh, my mistake. We have a captain in our midst. Well, better look sharp, eh? Captain's coming. Better sharpen the swords, eh? And make sure our boots are nice and shiny. Oh, so tell me, Captain, have you ever hunted a grouse?
That Graug has what you promised me.
Aye. Not just any grouse. The largest one I ever came across. We must prepare.
I should do just fine. I've been trained very well.
My dog, Silver, was trained very well. That was before she got eaten by a warg. The hunt is not about rules, my captain. We're not going to line up and have someone play with our lives. It's about instinct, and it's about guts. Which, as you can see, I know a thing or two about. You want basics on the hunt? Follow me. The hunt is its own beast, one you must learn to tame. First lesson of Caragor hunting, do not die.
What do we need them for?
We ride them. A worthy mount for a dangerous hunt. Now, these beasts will not be impressed by your rank. All flesh tastes the same to them. Once you go on the hunt, Captain, you'll come out a changed man. Hopefully for the better, but you never know. When I was hunting wargs, I picked up their ways quickly. But Caragors, well, those bastards are a tougher breed. Took me nearly a year to figure them out. Caragors. Buggers hate water. I once tried to ride one through a river, and she hightailed it up a cliffside with me on its back. Amazing what they'll do to avoid a good cleaning, eh? The hunt is my mistress. Beautiful, thrilling, infectious. And she doesn't nag, like my wife. Oh, you haven't lived until you've been on the hunt, Captain. The very air smells different. Like triumph. Ranger, over here!
That one over there looks quite aggressive.
Don't even try creeping up on the Caragor. It'll catch your scent a mile away.
What do you propose, then?
Why don't you hop in and introduce yourself? Ask it for a ride. When a Caragor charges, you have two options. Knock the bastard down, or eat dirt. Let the bastard charge you.
What now?
Hop on and take her for a ride! Hold tight! I can't walk with the beast! about the same time it took me to tame one. You might be a natural, Captain. You didn't fare too bad back there. Where'd you get your training, Captain?
I hail from the Black Gate.
The Black Gate. Nice place. Sounds depressing. Let's find some uruks. Now that you tame the beast, let's see if it'll fight for you.
You hear about that captain they got sent?
Cutting orcs! Great way to unwind! I bet I can take out more than you, Ranger! I'll take care of the rest.
It's a cannibal! You'll have far to fall!
You see now, Captain? Even the fiercest beast can be used for good.
You been hunting in Nurnin for long, dwarf?
For years and years. Land used to be more lush. Now a doom slowly sweeps over it.
Like much of Mordor.
Yes. Though the doom does add a spice to the hunt. Sure, you can ride a carrot, but can you shoot from one? You take him up high! Leave the ground dogs to me! What's a clean kill? Half point!
The world was young, the mountains green. Stain your tongue was sea. Walk and walk alone. Mirror me here and saw the above the shadows.
The fire better not set my beard alight. Now that's a dragon blast!
Kill the cannibal! And
You got the basics down. Now let's take on a fresh batch. We'll find another camp. Put you to a final test. Fight him however you like.
Oh, running short on lessons?
Running long on lip. You'll need to think on your feet. When we face the Graug, can't always look to me for help. The hunt is about discipline. Training yourself to see the perfect moment, rather than being told it. I once tracked a grey eagle back to her nest. I decided to let them be, even before they tossed me to the rocks below.
where was you at? Out hunting!
Slay the braided beggar!
Time for blood!
Swinging hard, but another's already on me! Cut off his legs! Make him even shorter!
bad, Captain. You got the basics down. Now let's take on a fresh batch. We'll find another camp. Put you to a final test. Fight him however you like.
Oh, running short on lessons?
Running long on lip. You'll need to think on your feet. When we face the Graug, can't always look to... me for help. The hunt is about discipline. Training yourself to see the perfect moment, rather than being told it. I once tracked a grey eagle back to her nest. I decided to let them be, even before they tossed me to the rocks below. Orc hunting party! Let's hunt them bastards for a change! Oh, that was gruesome! Time for blood! There's something wrong with your blade! You missed one! Stop it before he gets reinforcements! There's something about you.
Torvin is too quiet. Something must be wrong.
Go to him, Talion. Perhaps we should track the hunter.
You'll make a nice meal, dwarf.
Torvin needs help.
I'd fall. That ledge was nothing. I could fall and walk... That's the thrill of the hunt. Just so you know, I had him.
What does riding Caragors have to do with killing Graugs?
All these questions, Captain. Not you were supposed to follow orders.
You are testing my patience, Torvin.
Pay attention. Learn to respect the beast. You're gonna need size and strength to fight the mighty Graug. Remember, hunt. Respect is earned. Who knows? He'll even call you sir, eh?
This dwarf is far from home.
Not all those who wander are lost.
Oh, I've been attacked by ghouls, plenty of times. You get used to it after a while.
Hope you're not put off by my wee scars.
Oh, not at all. I actually have a few of my own.
Oh, I'll bet. What type of battle scars did you get from the Black Gate, eh? Splinters? Oh, or did you scar your voice telling your soldiers to head into battle?
Tread lightly. My scars run very deep.
The mighty Graug. You give me these. And he also took my hunting partner.
So, what now?
Well, another lesson for you, my captain. Maybe you'll even come out of this one unscarred.
So, what backward lesson do you have planned this time, eh? Shooting Crebain to prepare us for the mighty Graug?
You want to hunt Graug? So you shall. But not just any Graug. This is a rare one. It's territorial. Strong enough to claim land as its own. And you and me, we're trespassing.
Tell me, Captain, you ever slay a Graug before?
Today will be the first of many.
Now you're talking like a hunter. I've got a feeling in my gut you may survive this, Captain.
Well, since that's the largest part of you, I like those odds. So I assume you have a plan to kill this Graug?
I do, Captain. And since you're so good at taking orders, I'll tell you how, step by step. Step 1, when he's crunching on an Uruk, sneak up behind the giant beast and bleed the bastard's ankle.
Well, why not his throat?
There is one place Graugs aren't covered in spiky scales. They don't call a weakness a Graug's heel for nothing.
You want me to sidle up to this beast?
If you can manage it without being crushed, yes. There it goes! What a fine, fine specimen.
And it'll meet a fine end.
There it goes! What a fine, fine specimen.
And it'll meet a fine end.
Jack!
I've got to pierce its ankle.
There it goes! What a fine, fine specimen.
And it'll meet a fine end.
Watch out! There it goes! What a fine, fine specimen.
And it'll meet a fine end.
The ankle, Cap. We discussed this. Step 2, Captain. The blood will attract Caragors. Jump on one before she jumps on you. That's the Graugs. Get her to chase you. I'll be waiting.
That will be quite a ride. Can't go for speed. Sounds easy enough.
Right, her cabin! Hey, you! I've slain bigger crowds when I was a wee boy and my beard was only 3 inches long! Step 3. Shoot it in the head. Over here! Look over here! Nothing like a dwarf for dessert! We're a sweet little morsel! If you can get me in your mouth before I drop you with my hammer! Hey! Come and get me! Yeah, that's right! Get me! Bet you can't! Oh, so close! Come on, you can do better than that!
What's step 4?
There is no step 4! It should be dead! You must have done it wrong!
I'm following your orders!
Well, that's your problem! Think for yourself!
I have an idea.
What are you doing? You can't ride a crowd! Now that's a hunter! An odd hunting package!
Your life ends with the sting of my blade.
Say, it's a wee bit unusual to ride a growl.
Nothing like a little improvising, eh?
All right, Captain. That's it. You showed instinct, gumption, respect. Training's over. Got guts. Let's go spill some, eh?
The darkness of Mordor doesn't seem to touch that dwarf.
The 7 rings of power did not turn the dwarf kings to wraiths, as the 9 rings did to man. They are as stubborn as stone and cannot be dominated by evil. That is why Sauron has sworn to destroy them.
hunter who's good at hurling spears can fend off any pride against the
Torvin!
Heads up, Captain! Time to go hunting!
A deadly hunter needs a deadly man. Careful! This one's ready for lunch. You're gonna have to break it! That'll keep you on your toes! Oh, take your time, Captain! I have old age. A deadly hunter needs a deadly mount! Careful! This one's ready for lunch! Time for the hunt of a lifetime! However short that is!
I assume you know the path.
The real question is, are you ready to travel it? Whatever happens during the hunt, think, what would Torvin do? Actually, that's a good life lesson for you to follow always. I pray your training sticks, or else you'll stick to the wall once the mighty Graug hurls you there.
I'm ready to fight the Graug.
And that's just what you do. Fight! No art, no finesse. The hunt isn't about swinging and slashing, it's bigger than that.
From your perspective, Dwarf, everything is bigger.
Yes, this Graug is very, very big. Oh wait, you're mocking me. Graugs are one of the oldest species of Mordor, and the deadliest by far. It's been a long time since I faced this Graug. Let us hope time wasn't as gentle to him as it was to me. My old partner and I once tracked a Graug from Mount Dolmed to Nogrod. We finally slayed it and got stuck under his leg for 2 days. Those were fun times. Last time I saw the beast was when my old partner and I tracked it into his dwelling.
How did you get out alive?
Luck! The Graug knocked me senseless. When it came to, it had ended my partner. Facing that creature alone was a death sentence. I'd been hunting this Graug for almost a decade. That's a lot of years of dedication to one beast.
Dedication? Or a sign you preach better than you hunt?
Oh, that's funny, Captain. I'll be sure to laugh when the beast eats you alive. The mighty Graug will be my legacy. Dwarves will tell tales of Torvin the Hunter for generations. And I'll have them throw your name in there somewhere.
Whoa! The Caragors are too quiet. I don't think the Graug is home.
Then we go in and we wait.
Ambush? How military. I like it.
It's an axe.
That's just as sharp as the day our father made it.
history repeats itself.
Let's just do as Torvin said. Rule number 1. Never mind, we improvise! It's too strong! I must attack from afar! A shot to the skull will disorient him. I think he's dead.
Well, that's what I call beast hunting, eh?
Indeed, indeed.
Next time I'm not gonna let you have all the fun.
Oh, no, no. This is the last time. I have other prey to pursue.
Well, you need help on your journey, so what do you say? We put some
No,
shadows...
Torvin. I have to do this on my own.
If you survive, come to the Blue Mountains, eh? I've lots of friends that will drink until their kegs run dry.
I've seen how much a dwarf can drink. I do hope our paths cross again.
Right. Now how do I get you out of here?
Come here, son. I have something for you. From the finest smith.
Father, is it mine?
Every ranger should have his own blade. Care for it always. It is an extension of you.
It won't ever leave my side.
I hope that Torvin finds his way home, now that his hunt is over.
If he does, then he will find his home is not as he left it.
I was too far away to join the fight.
Here.
Thank you.
I found the mithril hammer. Can your flames show me why my soul was denied death?
You are the victim of a blood sacrifice.
Can the curse be broken?
Destroy the Black Hand and his followers, and claim Mordor.
No man of Gondor will come to my aid.
You don't need them. Your power begets followers, willing or otherwise.
An orc army.
How do I do this?
Your answers are in the fortress nearby, but what you seek may not be there for much longer.
Marwen's decree was speed. The future must be met.
Came across some strange tracks. They must send me land. They must make
It is not them we seek, but what they carry.
I will save them nonetheless.
Don't be blinded by your emotions. The Queen told us our answers to building an orc army lie within this fortress.
If we brand those archers, we can build our army and save these men at the same time.
Should I show their insides the light of day? Kill me! But
Your will is mine.
it is yours, Master. Mordorians are invaders. Men are scourge.
You are made
These
to be
villains
cowed
take
by
our
terror.
lands, but no more. Now we take them back, and we
Gaze into the
take
light
their
of my
lives as well.
eye. See the blue flames that will save you. I'm ready for death.
The neck, the head, the gut. How shall
Mine
we
is the
make
sight
them
that
bleed?
will pierce your mortal will.
Those soldiers will die if I am seen.
She will avenge us!
Let your hand be guided by silver.
Look at these soft skins, here to slaughter us. Not today. The time of man is over.
Witness the flame and be led to your redemption.
Clean out your ears. You're always hearing things. You want to see how much they bleed? You've come to the right place.
My eyes are yours!
Should I show their insides the light of Stubborns? I'll have your head! Is this horror? You're dead! The Black Hand will make you pay! Fuck stubbers! What do you say?
Heed my command!
This is your way!
The Lady of the Shore send you to our aid.
The Queen warned us to wait until the end of the battle. Then you all spotted
I
us.
told you, the visions always come to pass.
Yes, but I told you not to.
Do you have something for me?
Queen Marwen sent us to find this.
for me! Protect my name!
That ranger knows we're too tough. We've got a killer lurking around.
Hold it! Bring light! Stop moving!
It is one thing to kill these Uruk, it is another to make them our followers.
It is a gift. We can use the weapon of the enemy against him.